we've been learning out here on the farm is that even when you don't want to do something, things still have to be done. And I think that's something that's kind of good for everyone to learn, but me especially, because sometimes I just get to a place where I know that things need to be done, but I don't want to do them, and so I just kind of sit around and do nothing, and it's not good. It's not a good thing. And so now I have animals and stuff that depend on me to feed them, to bring them water, to clean up after them. Like, they'll die if I don't take care of them. And I think it's definitely a humbling, but also eye-opening experience to have something depend on you, especially at this young of an age. Would you say that it's helped you grown up, Kinley, a little bit? To have stuff that depends on you? Like, if you really think about it, without us, these animals would die.
Yeah.
They need us. And I think that is kind of an eye-opening and humbling experience to know that, well, one, there's just things that we need to do, but two, that I don't know where I was going with that. But, yeah.
Should I stop it?
Yeah. You know, I'm not ever sure if I ever explained to the good folks of YouTube why I hate our two pigs so much, Rosie and Magnolia, and I'll show you why. Here's me attempting to open the gate. I can't even do it. Hang on, I gotta set this down. Look at them. They're rushing in. They also broke this. What's going on here? Why is it closed? I really strongly dislike these pigs. Like, I've never had such dislike for a creature in my entire life. Here, they come. They try to bite my feet. That's why I always have to wear boots out here. Because they want to bite my toes. And I don't want them to bite my toes. So, God, look at these daggum, look what they just did to me. Get. I hate that pig. Sheep are absolutely the most underrated farm animal. I love my sheep. They are, oh my gosh, they're incredible. They're so low maintenance. All I have to do is feed them. And since we have them on pasture, I don't even really have to clean up after them. I mean, I gotta clean their little house, but all I gotta do is feed them, give them water, trim their hooves every now and then. Oh, she just rammed him. She did not want him to eat. Lindy, be nice, mama. That girl, I swear. They're super easy and they're tri-purpose. We've got wool, meat, milk. And I guess they're quad-purpose because I can sell the babies for money. And they're such excellent animals and they're so sweet. They're good. I love them. They're pets, honestly. They're just such excellent animals. I'm really glad that I made the discovery of sheep. It wasn't what I had ever anticipated that I would, have, but I love sheep. They're incredible. Absolutely underrated farm animal. Hi y'all, it's August 2nd around here. It's about 7:15, sun's gone down, and I'm out to feed my animals. I'm sick, like pretty badly sick. Well, I'm a lot better than I was yesterday. We got some antibiotics, but things must go on. Even when you don't feel great, still got stuff to do. And I think that's one thing that I've been learning about here, like I said previously. Things, show must go on. Even if you don't want to do it, you still gotta do it. And whether you feel like bad or you feel great, you still gotta do it. And that's just what's gotta happen. I'm gonna feed the sheep over here today. Just cause, well, that's really pretty, so. Yeah. Let you just look at that for a sec. So you got their two things. Alright, come here, sheep, 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 sheep. Sheep, 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 sheep. sheep. Boom. I lied in my other video. These raspberries are ripe. Best day ever. That's so cool. And there's so many. There's gonna be so many. And there's even some back here. Yay! Also, we're working on alternative ways to get water back to the sheep because the lawnmower is actually broken. It's not just out of gas this time, it's actually broken. So I'm trying to fill up the cooler to see if that will help.
All right, so this is our hay coverage. We took a couple pallets, put them together, put a top on it, line the insides with a tarp, and we're keeping our hay dry.
Good job. He built it all by himself.
No, Lily helped me.
Oh, and Lily. He did a good job.
Well, I have to videotape, and Mom told me I had to hold the horse.
Hey, Graceland, come take Aspen. She keeps walking fast to turn around Lorelai.
You got it? Oh, I didn't realize it was on. All right, I've got Dad's back there, taking the water to be filled up. So, yeah. Is it working? Let's see. Sure, he's trying to fill it up. We cut off a piece of hose to put in there because currently our lawnmower is broken and we need to get water back to the sheep, but not working because the gate back there is little, so the truck can't fit through. We only have one and it's in the front field, and that barrel won't reach, so we're gonna figure out how to make it work. But yeah, bringing it along. No, I just gotta, don't turn it on yet. Oh, he's not. Never mind. Gotta undo this hose, take it over to the truck so we can start to, where's the end of it? Yes? Okay. I have to turn the truck off because he said so. Okay. Alright, can you turn the hose on? Hopefully that'll work. It's not working. So we're trying to figure out why it's not working. Oh, that sucks. Now what are we gonna do? Okay. I'm just sitting here letting gravity do the work for me. And it's been filling up this trough. It's working really well. This is what I do this for. I probably need more in there, but the siphon stopped working. Look at that little guy. He's so cute. But he's really ugly, but he's really cute. Now I'm going back. Don't get in the way, horses. Gotta go through the gate. Kinley's being my gate bark today. All the way! All the way! Thank you. Some kids don't know how to open gates. Kinley is one of them. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Turn a little bit.
Now I'm backing up to the trailer. Good?
Yeah, put it in park.
I don't think it's good. I think he's gonna redo it.
Turn it off.
Getting a new lawnmower. At Tractor Supply. Look at all those ducks. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is 16 ducks.
That brown one right there is the one that's laying.
Yep.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Here, Lily, grab me one. Grab me one, Lil.
What?
Grab me one. Hang on, I got Now we just need a goose so we can play duck duck goose.
I'm giving you a pretty one. Wow, he's very beautiful.
Here, we'll assembly line it.
So cute.
Look, come get it.
Three more, and then we move on to the big one. Hello, ducky duckies. He's a little loud. It's your lucky day. Yeah, I got new cages. So now I'm gonna start giving you over here.
Here, ducky.
Wait, I want to hold the brown one. I want to bring the brown one.
Now we do these ones.
Great, they got.
Look at all those chickens. Here's the girls trying to catch a duck. Graceland running? Imagine that.
Dang.
We tried.
You okay, B?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I was just hoping she got it on camera. I did. It was funny.
Okay, good.
I tripped. I hope you.
They're saying hi to the chickens. Yeah, look. Ooh. Look at them all. Until they figure out that it's over here. Yeah, be careful. Look around. Is that the only one? Don't step on it. Our first egg.
Why is it broken? Yeah. It didn't all come out. Oh well. Her very first egg. Okay, what?
I was telling Mommy how it might be too hot to put a black saddle on her because like black attracts heat. So it'll just make her back hot. And then she won't want to do anything.
Fortunately, I think she'll live.
Yeah, I mean,
I think it'll be
I
alright.
was telling Mommy I could ride her bareback because it would be way less hot.
Why don't you try with the saddle at least for now, and then if she gets overheated?
Well, yeah, she also hasn't rid with the saddle yet. But I only put it on her once, so.
Why don't you?
See how that
Yeah,
works.
why don't you try it?
We're gonna see how that works. Let's go. Give you a treat, so. You're fine.
Here comes Aspen.
If you want to go in there, but I'm not saying you should. My stuff. I'm borrowing it. Now, I know when I tacked you up the only time I tacked you up, when you actually let me, you weren't tied up. But, honey, I must tie you up. Because I know what you'll do. Is that too far? If I put the girth here, is it going to hit you right here? Is it? Is it, honey? Is it? Yeah, it's your mom. Can you feel my heart going 1,000 times a mile? Move up. Move. You're okay, Lex. Now, this is the only thing she's freaked out about.
It's okay, Bacon.
It's her scare self. What is this? What is it? It's not gonna hurt you. No. I won't let it hurt you. See? See? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. See? Yeah, good girl. I'm gonna have to move everything up real quick. Whoa. Dang, I'm sorry I'm pulling your hair. Apologies. We're trying the girth for this. I know. Okay, hold on. Where is it, guys? Here it is. If I do that. I move this whole thing up. That's better.
What do you think, girl? What do you think, girl? It's a good girl, Bacon.
Good girl. She's been sad.
Oh, I coughed.
So she probably doesn't think much of it.
Hopefully not.
I need it hit. What's this, thanks? I appreciate it if you don't step on my feet.
That'd be bad, huh?
Is that on her armpit? That's on her armpit. Yes, I'm such a
Girl,
good person. My heart is racing right now.
Yeah.
Because if I take this off and she bites at me, she gets full power.
No, it's not.
But I have this just in case she wants to run away.
Let's let her not do that. Hi, Bacon.
Are you gonna bite me?
No, you're not. Be
You're
a
not gonna bite me
good
because I'm
girl.
gonna smack you, and you know that.
Be a good girl.
So, real quickly.
You got it. You'll be okay.
I know. You don't like that.
Back up, Aspen.
Oh yeah, back her up.
Move, Aspen. Go away. Move. Go away.
Good girl for mom. Good girl.
Be good girl, Bacon.
Let me do that so I have power over her.
Good girl, Bacon. Aspen, go away. Hey, Bacon. Be a good girl. Hey, whoa.
Crap. Crap.
What's wrong?
Oh, I got the bridle stuck. So,
Uh-oh.
leave her like that. I gotta fix the bridle.
Okay. Hey, Bacon.
Just pet her. She's not supposed to walk around.
Hey, good girl.
Here, Bex.
You're bacon. Good girl. Good girl.
She's such a good girl.
Aren't you a good girl? You're such a good girl. You're such a good
I
girl.
messed up. My bad.
Good girl, bacon.
Come here.
Good girl.
It's a hackamore.
What the heck?
It's your favorite.
It's for you. Huh. Huh,
Excuse
girl.
me. What's this? What's this, honey? What's this? Yeah, if you let me do this from this side of the... If you let me do this from this side, because then you can't bite me, I will love you forever.
Be a good girl,
I'm
bacon.
literally shaking.
We are sectioning off the field so that way we can have the sheep towards the front, because we're not really liking how they're all the way in the back and we can't really see them. So we're going to do that, and then they'll be able to go all the way back and all the way front, and the horses will be able to go all the way front and all the way back. So that's what we're doing today. Well, guys, is it upside down?
Poor
It is.
chicken.
Barney killed one of our chickens. It's dead. It's
It's his fault,
stiff.
but it's not his fault.
Barney killed it.
Are you sure that won't take the video down if we showed it?
It'll be fine. You can see where we clipped its wings. Harley's crying.
Harley's crying because
Do you want to tell what happened?
So this is the second time that he's busted through the black gate and hopped through the electric fence, but this time we didn't have a chicken net up, so he went into the duck fence, or the duck cage, and just grabbed one and he wouldn't let go.
And
then
broke its neck and it died.
he didn't break his neck.
Yeah.
He didn't. He had to hold it right here.
Pretty sure that's how it died, is its neck was broken.
So really,
Yeah, he probably shook it around and killed it.
we got my
Yeah. Okay, say thanks to the people who are going to watch our vlog.
Thanks for watching our vlog.
I can leave it.